Hi everybody, welcome to NuttX channel. Today I'll explain how to use a very common alphanumeric LCD display like this one. This LCD has a backpack, is an I2C board integrated with it, and this board converts the I2C signal data to parallel data to control this display. It is very common. People use it with Arduino, for example. And today I'll explain how we can use it on NuttX. So let's start. Open the Linux terminal. Enter inside NuttX space, NuttX. Execute make this clean to clear previous configuration. Now execute tools configure.sh STM32F for discover LCD 1602. This is the alphanumeric display we are using. Okay, it has 16 columns by 2 rows. Okay, it is configured, but I will enter inside menu config and show the options this board config is selecting. So make menu config. This board configuration enable the I2C, the LCD and other things. So let's show it. Enter inside system type, STM32 peripheral support, and as you can see, it enabled the I2C1. Okay, so we need I2C1. And inside device drivers, it enabled the I2C driver support. And inside LCD driver support, it enabled the alphanumeric segment LCD device, and inside it, it enables two options, the LCD 1602 and the PCF 8574 LCD backpack. So these two configurations are necessary to get it working. And inside the library routines, it enables the the segment LCD codec. So this is other option that is enabled. And the last one is inside application configuration, examples, and it is more to the end is the LCD, is the segment LCD test. Is an application to use the LCD, the display, to show some messages and do basic tests. Okay, basically that is the feature we are enabled to get it working. So after it we can exit and exit again and compile the source code. So just execute make to compile the source code. Okay, the source code was compiled. Now we can flash the firmware inside the STM32F4 discover board. So we can do it using the OpenOCD command. This is the command. Okay, the firmware was flashed inside the board. Now I will explain how we can connect the LCD in the board, okay? It's very easy to connect the alphanumeric LCD display to the STM32 Discovery board. All you need to do is connect 4 wires. We'll start with the GND, connecting to GND in the STM32 Discovery board. We'll connect the VCC to 5 volts. Later, we'll connect the SDA to PB9, to this pin, PB9, and we'll connect the SCL, the clock, to the PB6, pin PB6 here. That's all, and the LCD is connected. Okay, we connect the LCD in the board, but the LCD display is still turned off. So we just need to connect the USB serial adapter in the board, as I explained in some previous video, and run minicon. Now we can reset the board. Let's see. Okay, the segment LCD device is here. Let's see if the SLCD application is here too. Okay, the SLCD application is here. Let's run it. Oh, very nice. It printed reload. Now, let's suppose I want to print another message. I can just write SLCD code, welcome to NuttX, for example. And it will be printed in the LCD display. So basically that is it. If you have some question, please write in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed to NuttX channel, please subscribe. And also click in the bell icon to receive notifications when I post a new video. See you. Bye bye.